Watch this video to learn how to choose your digital certificate. If this is your first time signing a new Landonline, you'll need to locate and link your digital certificate in order to sign. Once added, most internet browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge should continue to remember the location each time you sign. You should only need to change the file location on your next certificate renewal. Start by selecting the Choose Digital Certificate button. A File Explorer window will pop up. From here, you need to locate your current digital certificate. By default, this should be in your C drive in the LIN Certificates folder. If your firm stores certificates elsewhere, speak with your trusted contact to help you locate the file. Use the left-hand navigation panel to find your C drive, then click once to view its folders. Locate the folder named LIN Certificates and double-click to open. Select your digital certificate. The certificate name should be your Landonline username. If you have multiple certificates in this folder, use the Date Modified column to find the most recent certificate. Click once on the certificate to select it. Then click Open to upload the certificate. File Explorer will close and you'll see your certificate added here. If you upload an invalid certificate, an error message will display. If you upload the wrong certificate, an error message will display after you've entered your certificate passphrase and selected the Sign Instruments button. If you need to change your digital certificate, select the Change Digital Certificate link here. This brings us to the end of the Choose Your Digital Certificate video. Thanks for watching.